Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by clarifying what matters, list your top 3 values, and the time you can commit each week. Once done, research and pick 5 realistic options. Mix local and online to maximize access. Make sure to create a 20-30 second introduction you can use in messages or at events. Say why you're joining, what you offer, and one question. This first step reduces friction and gets you into contact quickly, so you can move from thinking to meeting people. You now test compatibility by attending 2 to 3 events or online conversations. Don't commit at the first meeting. While there, observe norms, how decisions are made, how people interact, and how often members show up, because fit matters for longevity. Make sure to contribute once early. Ask a thoughtful question or volunteer for a small task to reveal dynamics and build rapport. If something feels off, compare it to your values list and continue sampling until you find resonance. You commit by choosing one community and setting a 3-month participation goal to evaluate long-term fit. Once committed, deepen ties with one-on-one follow-ups, regular attendance, and by taking small responsibilities. That accelerates trust. If you encounter problems, first reflect on expectations, then communicate needs clearly, propose a small change or boundary. If nothing improves, gracefully step back and cycle to a different option. This final
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.